Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Tawfiq Aman Channa and you are watching my YouTube channel Mr. Educator. Guys, in this video I'm going to share with you some daily life sentences. So be with me in this video till the end. Without wasting time, let's begin our today's video. तुम यहाँ कैसे आए? What brings you here? What brings you here? तुम यहाँ क्यों हो? Why are you here? Why are you here? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? सब ठीक तो है ना? Is everything alright? Is everything alright? तुम कहाँ थे? Where have you been? Where have you been? जिंदगी कैसी गुजर रही है? How is life? How is life? क्या मैं आपके लिए कुछ कर सकता हूँ? Can I do something for you? Can I do something for you? मुझे आपको यहाँ देखकर खुशी हुई है. I'm glad to see you here. I'm glad to see you here. तुम्हारा मसला क्या है? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? मैं सीधा यहाँ आया हूँ. I came straight here. I came straight here. मेरे पास बात करने को बहुत कुछ है. I have so much to talk about. I have so much to talk about. मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. इतनी जल्दी क्यों? Why such a hurry? Why such a hurry? क्या जल्दी है? What's the rush? What's the rush? मुझे इतनी अकल तो है. I have this much sense. I have this much sense. इसमें क्या हर्ज है? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? दोबारा कहना. Say it again. Say it again. ज़्यादा चालाक ना बनो. Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. क्या मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? क्या हो रहा है? What is going on? What is going on? आपसे बाद में बात होगी. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. बहुत खूब. इसे जारी रखें. Well done. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it up. सब कुछ ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. मैं आपको बाद में फ़ोन करूँगा. I will call you back. I will call you back. आपका क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? What do you mean? अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी है, आपने एंजॉय किया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें इस वीडियो को, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.